The judges selected this project because of its minimal impact on the traveling public and its innovative use of single stem next beams to best fit the required site geometry.
The use of a single stem next beam was unique and allowed a more efficient design.
8 bridges were reconstructed using only 55-hour weekend closures by using precast abutments and beams. In addition, precast approach slabs and precast barrier moment slabs were used to expedite the roadway approach work leading up to the bridges.
Precast concrete helped to overcome challenges such as the development of the design details to accommodate accelerated bridge construction during the weekend closure. These details need to be simple, uniform as much as possible throughout the project, and compatible with the contractor's schedule, and would provide a minimum of 75 years service life.